All right, I want to make sure that you are aware that you're going to be hearing and reading about some different positions in society, like doctors, teachers, lawyers, military workers, chefs, pilot, um, airline stewardess, plumber, contract worker, okay, fast food worker. Different types of positions in society earn different types of salary. It is also based on higher education and your experience and different specialized skills.
Friends, we're going to go over a couple of examples. Here's 20.1, making an income. The essential question is, what is the connection between your skills, abilities, and knowledge, the amount of work you do, and the money you can earn? So, Anita and Ruchi both want to buy a bicycle helmet that costs $40. Okay? They earn $3 for each week they complete their chores. Labor is work that a person does, and income is money earned. Look at the work completed table. That's this table over here, okay? Who will be able to buy her helmet at the end of 14 weeks? Okay, who will be able to buy her helmet? What are they buying at the end of 14 weeks? Here's your question. All right. So no, I tell my students all the time, if they have a table or a picture or graph, something that accompanies a question, you need to review that, okay? Also, I didn't say to use cubes because at this point, everybody knows you should be using cubes for every question, okay? So, this table says work completed, week 1, Anita and Ruchi. And we know that both Anita and Ruchi are both girls because it says who will be able to buy her helmet at the end of 14 weeks. The reason I point that out is that I know some of you were like, oh, Ruchi, I don't know what kind of name that is. It's a beautiful name. And we know that Anita and Ruchi are both girls. So, who will be able to buy her helmet at the end of 14 weeks? Let's see. We know from the beginning up here that each of them earn $3 for each week. Okay, so Anita, this is all the weeks. Let's just see if they both do work. Okay, work. Oh, okay. Well, here's one. Week 4, Anita. Oh, here's another one. No work. Here's another one. No work. And here's another one. No work. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks she did not do work. Okay. So we could use multiplication to figure out the table. So it's 14 weeks and they get paid $3. So let's go ahead and do that. 14 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry your 1. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. That's 42. $42. Okay? That's weeks. Miss Mendes. It's $3. So it's $42. 3 times 14 is $42. So down here, the totals would be Ruchi earned $42. But did Anita earn $42? No. Anita only worked for 10 weeks. How do I know that? Because the total on the chart is 14 weeks. She missed 4 weeks. So 4 minus 4 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So she only worked for 10. So I would be doing 10 weeks times $3. And 10 times 3 is 30. So she earned $30. Anita earned $30 and Ruchi earned $42. So see how we analyzed our table, right? So look at the table, or look at the work completed table. This, who will be able to buy her helmet at the end of 14 weeks? Well, Anita completed her chores for 10 weeks. Her income is 10 times 3, which is equal to 30. So $30 is less than 40. So Anita cannot buy her helmet. Ruchi completed her chores for 14 weeks. Her income is 14 times 3, and that is equal to, remember we did it here, $42. $42 is greater than 40. So Ruchi can buy her helmet. If the rate of pay is the same, rate of pay, we know what that is because up here it says $3 for each week. That's the rate of pay. It's $3 is the same. You can earn more money if you do more work, right? That's more work. A person's knowledge and work skills can be called human capital. So what is human capital? Human capital is a person's knowledge about work and skills. Okay? That is what human capital is. All right, let's try a couple of share and show examples. Who can buy the items? Mary and John earn $8 per hour. John works 42 hours. Mary works 29 hours. Who can buy the bicycle for $299? Well, we're going to have to do some calculations here. Okay, so Mary and John both earn $8 per hour. So the pay rates are the same. John works 42 hours. Let's do John first. Okay, John over here. He works 42 hours. All right. I don't know that you can really see that. Let me go ahead and erase that. Let's try it up here. Let's say this is John. Okay. John works 42 hours and he gets paid $8 an hour. 8 times 2 is 16. Carrier 1. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. So these are dollars. $8 per hour, and this is the total dollars. Now Mary, let's do Mary. Mary works 29 hours. Okay. She earns $8 an hour, just like John. 9 times 8, 72. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 7. So that's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. 23. Okay? And that's $232. So what's the question, friends? Who can buy a bicycle for $299? Well, this is less than $299. And this is more than $299. Who can buy the bicycle? John. All right, let's take a look at this. Frank is a sports writer. So Frank is a sports writer. Bob works in a fast food restaurant. Okay. Who do you think could possibly earn a higher salary? Well, let's read this definition right here. It's going to help us with salary. Salary is the amount of money a person can earn by being self-employed or by doing a job for another person or business. Okay, well, that means make money. Yeah? Get paid for doing a job that you know how to do. All right. Of these two people, who do you think is going to make more money? Frank or Bob?
He is a sports writer, okay? And the key skills for this career would include excellent written and verbal communication skills, right? He'd have to have an objectivity of writing and reporting the news without specific biases. He'd have to have persistence for pursuing new stories, basic computer skills, including social media and, working with databases. So high levels of experience needed and communication, both written and oral. Okay. Higher education also, of course. And An experience with researching and writing could earn you more money. Some of the required skills to be a fast food worker would be the ability to work in a standing position, right? Good numeracy and literacy skills, because if you're going to be working a register, you got to be able to count money, actually read the menus and different keys to operate the cash register and cash in and cash out the drawers. Good customer service communication. A high school or general education diploma is common in fast food worker resumes. Something else I want you to notice about this is the age range. You have to be 16 years or older. So 16 years, you're still in high school. So a lot of high school students work at fast food restaurants to make money.
All right, now that we have talked about and seen a few pictures and sort of build up your background knowledge about the sports writing position and the fast food position, who do you think we can logically conclude makes or earns more money? I think we can logically conclude that Frank earns more money because he has a specialized skill. He has a specialized skill. That would be why Frank earns more money as a sports writer. Marcia finished nursing school. Ben finished high school. Which statement about their job opportunities is most likely to be true? Well, Marcia finished nursing school, okay? Ben finished high school. All right. Which statement about their job opportunities is more likely to be true? I read that question twice because it's tricky. Ben has more specialized skills than Marcia. Well, Ben finished high school and Marcia finished nursing school, okay? And background knowledge for this, you have to finish high school or get a GED before you go to nursing school, okay? So Marcia finished high school and she finished nursing school. So does Ben have more specialized skills than Marcia? No. Logically, no, because he just went through high school. So we know that's not it, okay? Marcia has fewer specialized skills than Ben? No, we just kind of talked about that because Marcia finished high school and nursing school and Ben only finished high school, okay? So that's not it either. Distractor, distractor. C, Marcia may become a nurse? Maybe. Because what did she finish? She finished nursing school. It doesn't say she finished nursing school and became a nurse, but it does say she finished nursing school. Maybe. Ben and Marcia may do the same job. Did Ben finish high school? Yes. Did Ben go to nursing school? No. This question does not indicate Ben went to nursing school, so Ben and Marcia cannot do the same job. That's a distractor. So the answer is C. Marcia may become a nurse.